Hi everyone, this is Idre, and right here, I'm the Hawks guy. They call me the Hawks guy. So I have, first of all, my laptop. This is MacBook Pro M2, 64 gig RAM, 2 terabytes, with my SSL 2 Plus. I have my Nectar Panorama T6. This is a MIDI controller, 5 octaves, and with my Montage M8X. Yeah, this is like the main case. And I have my saxophone on this keyboard. Here I have Swam. This is Swam. It's from audio modeling. So this is Swam Auto Sax. And this is what I'll be using today with full strings. It's from Contact. I use Contact tones. And this is LA strings, yes. LA strings 3. Yes, current string, yes, 3, yes. Then I have Synthage strings, yes. It's called Cinematic under Synthage. Then I have Spitfire. So I mixed LA current strings, Spitfire, studio strings, and Synthage strings. Then with my pedal. So I have my expression pedal, F7, with sustain pedal, two of them. So Roland and don't know the name of this one. So this is what I have here.
I mean, I've always enjoyed the full nature of your strings and the articulation and all that. So I'm like,
thank you, sir.
How are you like playing all that? So initially I thought it was from the montage.
No. So I mean, I sat down with it. I mean, for a very long time.
Okay.
Not 2 years, not 1 year, like 3-4 years. I mean, I've been playing with my expression pedal for, I think it's over 5 years. Over 5 years now, and just trying to explore. I mean, I have other stuff I do too. I play organ as well. Organ, strings, like my saxophone. I play trumpet as well on this, my laptop. And then what else? Yeah. Good.
I'm here with the maestro himself, Mr. Unplugged.
Okay, so this is a really simple setup. But before I proceed, I want to say it's a rare privilege to be on this platform to speak about this. It's really simple. So I have one piano, which is the main piano that I'm running on my system. Yeah, so this is I'm running it on Logic. And then let me just play that piano and so you can hear what it sounds like. So this is it. It's like that's what it sounds like. Really simple and soft and very, very emotional. Let me put. So it gives it that cool feel. And then the beauty of this, it also has this presence when you play it really hard. So it's like. Yeah. So that's it. That's for the piano. But what I do, that's just what I do here. But I also have another setup I do. Once in a while, I might just put in a pad on it. So this is like a pad that I actually designed this on Serum. So let me see if I can bring it up so you can hear what it sounds like. That's it. So then this is the piano and the pads. Yeah, so I do this very rarely. And then the other stuff I have on right here is that's like strings. The strings ensemble. I have almost 15 players right here. It's a whole lot. So let me just solo this so you hear what it sounds like. So this is it. Very warm strings. And it's like Halle, Halle. Praise the Lord. Praise. So if I want to build up the brightness of the strings, I have it mapped to the mod wheel. See that it's more brighter, but then it comes down. So I use this occasionally, but what I do mostly is just the piano. Do that occasionally. Then on the Node, what I have is I have this scene which I created. I have the white grand piano on the first layer, and then I have the orchestra, which is mapped to my foot pedal right here. That's why I used to control the orchestra string. So you see it? No, let me bring this. This is it. So I can use this, and then on the second layer I have this super wave saw. Let me solo that so you can. Let me put every other thing off, and then you just have. That's it. Just for extra warmth, and then depending on the way the atmosphere is, and then I have a second key. Sometimes I just put this down a bit so I can blend with him. Yeah. So that's just it. And then I have this sort of patch here with like a EP ballad to give that DX sound.
So all these are inbuilt, not
Yeah, all of them are inbuilt. For the Node, everything is inbuilt. But for this Node, this is not stage 3. So I had to put in the white grand. It doesn't come with the white grand. So I took the patches and put in the white grand. I think Node made this available. It's in the stage 4. So you have the white grand. So but I put it here so I can use it as well. So that's just it. So this is what the white grand. This is the piano you're saying that comes with string that is low. So this is the white grand because there's this brightness he has. So I didn't put it. I just have it just a little with the strings and the part. So yeah. So if I put everything together, it's what we have. Let me see. Yeah. Say what?
How are you routing? So the keyboard is connected via MIDI, right?
Yeah, it's a MIDI. I have a MIDI
USB cable.
Yeah, MIDI cable from here. Yeah, right to the system. So I have it right here connected to my USB hub. And then I have the Type C for connecting the sound.
Okay.
Yes, the interface. So
my Oga is here. I'm doing
My name is Chika Scales. These are my drums, and I know most people always ask me that. Why do you like setting your drums this way? I like setting my drums in a way that I understand it, and I like the feel. and my tone. I like it. So what I do is that I usually use this is my 8. I love the 8. The 8 gives you this sound, this unique sound. The 8, there's the 10, there's my 12, and there's my 18. Yes, and this is my snare drum, you can see, and
Snare drum looks big.
yeah, that's the fast snare. Mr. Dunsin like the snare not to be dry. He likes it to be wide and heavy. He likes his snare drum to be more open. Like we're not doing the style of John Pickey or Ezekiel Walker. His style of music is different. I've had the chance several times. I will go for a program and the snare drum is sounding so tight. You have to tell me that, please, you have to loosen it down. You have to drop the tone down. So I usually make sure that his snare drum sounds different. That's why, if you notice, most of Mr. Dunsin's recording, the drum sound is quite different. This is my snare drum, and this is my hi-hat. This is my cymbals. There's a C-Jam, K custom, and I have my splash here also too, and I have my ride K custom, and I have my dry crash also too. Yeah, for me also too. So this is my setup.